Welcome to Bitcoin Watch. Today, we're diving into Uniswap, one of the most popular decentralized exchanges in crypto. We'll explore how it works, its real use cases, and both the advantages and drawbacks you should know. Uniswap, launched in 2018, is a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum. Unlike traditional exchanges, it doesn't rely on order books or intermediaries. Instead, it uses smart contracts to facilitate peer-to-peer token swaps directly from your wallet. The UNI token is Uniswap's governance token. Holding UNI allows users to vote on protocol changes, including fee structures and future upgrades. It's also used to incentivize liquidity providers who supply tokens to the pools that make swaps possible. So why do people use Uniswap? It's perfect for swapping crypto quickly without registering accounts. Developers can also launch new tokens directly on the platform, making it a hub for decentralized finance innovation. Uniswap's main advantages include decentralization, transparency, and ease of use. There's no central authority controlling your funds, and anyone can access the platform globally. However, there are drawbacks. Gas fees on Ethereum can be high, especially during network congestion. Also, impermanent loss can affect liquidity providers, and trading risks remain for users unfamiliar with DeFi. Uniswap remains one of the largest decentralized exchanges by trading volume. Its constant product market maker model ensures liquidity, and it's often the first choice for swapping new tokens. Security is a priority, but as with any DeFi platform, risks exist. The Uniswap community actively participates in governance and protocol improvements, making it a user-driven ecosystem. Looking ahead, Uniswap continues to innovate with Layer 2 scaling solutions and enhanced token features. As DeFi grows, platforms like Uniswap could reshape how we trade assets. That's it for today's deep dive on Uniswap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bitcoin Watch. Check out our live stream for 24/7 crypto news and live chat with fellow enthusiasts.